just gonna drop shot. Actually, no, I did that wrong. I gotta go like this. Alright, that's whatever. Cast up there. Yeah, we gotta anchor somewhere to do this. We're in this area called Mud Lake on the Mississippi River. Oh, you know. Okay, there we go. Yeah. See if we can get something. Just using a drop shot.
I thought something was trying to jump out of the tree.
It's pretty grassy bottom. We're like 9 feet of water, Dad, right?
8.
8? Tournament today. I think I can see the bottom. This is what I have. That right there. And I'm just gonna cast out and let her sit. Keep the drag pretty low, just in case. Slow enough. Just gonna keep that there. Let her be. There's a couple eagles chasing the hawk because like the hawk must have got the food before them and it's trying to they're trying to get it from them. No, the hawk's not chasing them. There he is. Oh, yep, there he is. So now we are anchored at a point and we are Lindy rigging and then just throwing extra spots, I guess.
Right. That was air. Oh my God.
So I just caught a 15-inch walleye. Should see it. And I was just jigging a worm and the Lindy rig isn't working right now. I have a pink jig and a night crawler. Hook it on there a few times and I'm going to see if I can get another one. this is gonna be a part of the catch and cook. We got our deep fryer, walleye. I'm gonna dry them out on a paper towel. Put Crisco in a deep fryer for 375, and I gotta put some Crisco in there. So we're gonna get our oil heated up. We got our fish ready, and I'm making the stuff that put the fish in. See when we're putting. Now we're just gonna put the fish in. There we go. Oh, it smells good. Oh. Just gonna keep that in there for a minute. Got some out. Lefty's Spice. They're really good. Alright, so I had an awesome day today. The fish is really great. That's gonna be wrapping up my video. I didn't talk at all really on the boat because it was just kind of weird and awkward, and I just wanted to enjoy my time.